Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to rename your PC in Windows 10. Open File Explorer, right-click this PC, click Properties. Click About. Click Rename this PC. Change any name. Click Next. Click Restart Now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.